Today, we are gonna fix YouTube dark theme not working problem. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. The first solution is to activate the dark theme on Windows, our browser and YouTube. To do this, we right click on the Windows icon and open Settings. Then, we click on Personalization. We scroll down and click on Colors. After that, we set Choose Your Mode to Dark. We close this page and open our browser. Then, we click on the three dots in the upper right and open Settings. We click on Customize your Chrome profile. Then, we select black as the theme color. We close here and open YouTube. We click on our profile and select Dark Theme. This was our first solution. Now, we will move on to our second solution. The second solution is to clear YouTube's pref cookie. To do this, we open YouTube and click on the three dots in the upper right corner. Then, we go to the More Tools and open Developer Tools. This is where we need to open. Since I have opened it before, it opened directly for me. This may not be the case for you. We need to click on Application from the options above. To open Applications, we click on this icon. Then, we click on Application. From the Storage section on the left side, we click on Cookies and then YouTube. After doing this, we scroll down and find the pref cookie. Once we find the cookie, we right click on it and then click Delete. Now, we need to reload YouTube. Many people on Reddit have solved their problem with this method, and hopefully it will work for you too. If for some reason you could not delete the pref cookie, you can also solve the problem by deleting the old cookies of YouTube. To do this, we open Settings, click on Privacy and Security, and then click on Cookies and other site data. We scroll down and click on See all site data and permissions. We type YouTube in the search bar. Now you can clear YouTube's cookies. This process also clears site data along with cookies. You will need to log in again. The third solution is to use a dark theme with extension. Until this temporary problem on YouTube is fixed, we can use a dark theme by using an extension. To do this, we open the Chrome Web Store and search for Improve YouTube. We add this extension to our browser by clicking on Add to Chrome. Now, we can open YouTube to use the extension. After the opening YouTube, we click on the icon of our extension. Then, we click on Themes. After that, we select Dark. We have successfully changed YouTube's theme to dark. We have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was useful for you. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.